Gina from WTI. I'm not sure if can opener heaven is a real thing, but I think I might be in it. I love this Kitchen Mama automatic can opener so much. For one thing, I am always scared that I'm going to cut my fingers on sharp edges when you open a can. And this one makes it smooth, so there's no worry about cutting your hands. Secondly, there's no fumbling to get this tubing can open. I love how quick and easy this is. You just put it right on top, push the button once, and it works its way around the can. Once it gets to the end that it started on, it'll make a different sound, and then you just push the button again, and it disengages from the can. I was able to use it on large cans, small cans, medium-sized cans. It can handle any size, and it just opens it in a breeze. This gadget is not a gimmick, it's the real deal. I couldn't be more thrilled with this Kitchen Mama can opener. It's quality, it works so well, it makes my life in the kitchen so much easier. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.